Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to hear enemy footsteps easier on your PlayStation 5 with this new sound setting that just been added. So if you're playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, etc., and you want to hear your enemy footsteps easier, let's go to settings, scroll on down to where it says sound now, and then go on down to where it says volume. Go to the right, and then here is the headphone adjustment on the top. Just a heads up, you might want to lower this or increase the volume right there. But this new sound setting is called audio focus. Makes sounds clear when using headphones. Select a frequency range to amplify, such as character voices and voice chat, high pitched footsteps, and metallic sounds or low rumbles. So let's go to this right now, and then scroll on down to where it says use audio focus. And then we have the option for boost high pitch sound, amplify high frequency sounds like footsteps and metallic noises right here. And then we can adjust the left and the right ear separately. Otherwise, we have the sound level. So just a heads up before you put this on strong, maybe try lowering your volume just a little bit or just go to weak to get this set up first. And then you can press square to test this out with the audio preview. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.